Hi, I'm medical reporter Suzanne Stevens here at the Dermatologic Laser Center. Since I have been doing medical reporting here in Charlotte for almost 20 years now, I have to tell you that I'm very diligent about taking care of my skin. I love to try new products that come out. I've had a couple of small procedures done, and I really try to do what I can to stay young looking and avoid or put off a facelift. And my mom also has had several skin cancers, so I stay out of the sun and I use sunscreen. But you know what, despite all of that, there's still nothing that I can do about lines. Lines that come from just living my life, and facial expressions. Concerned about lines here, 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 you know. So I'm going back now to talk to Dr. Brown about Dysport and Botox. And I'm just gonna ask him what he thinks he can do using those products to help my face.
So, explain again for me. As you've got some bunny lines here, which we need to address as well, these little creases here. The goal here is to get you relaxed without having you drooping, but to get you slightly lifted here. Bite down on the back teeth, really hard, okay? Bite down hard.
Go get it.
That's good.
Go get it.
You want to come back in a week or 10 days. I want to look and make sure you don't need a tiny drop more here.
Alrighty. It's been 2 weeks now since Dr. Brown did those injections for me, and I have to tell you, I am thrilled. I wanted to share some of the, I think, dramatic results with you. My favorite thing was actually when he injected here. Do you remember he did a series of injections along my jawline, and I wasn't quite sure what that would do. I had downturn at the corners of my mouth, and I had lines here, and the whole lower half of my face was sagging and pulling down. Well, the Botox just right here got rid of that. He also did something for what he called rabbit's nose or rabbit crinkles. Now, I knew I had those wrinkles right here, but I didn't know that he could do anything about them. The Botox got rid of it. I also had Botox around my crow's feet, and they are so much better, so I'm not afraid to smile anymore. I'm not afraid I'm going to create wrinkles. It's like he took an eraser, if you will, and just got rid of all the wrinkles on my forehead and the wrinkle right here, my frown lines. I am tickled pink. I used Botox, and there's also Dysport, and they are inexpensive and they are a safe way to get rid of those wrinkles. So if you're ready to do something nice for yourself, or if you're ready maybe to start looking as young as you feel inside, this is something you might want to consider. And it was really nice to work with Dr. Brown. He has years of experience, and I'm totally confident in what he's able to do, and you should feel confident as well. For the Dermatologic Laser Center, I'm medical reporter Suzanne Stevens.